Shahrukh is here, Nusrat is here, Dawn.
Listen,
Kitna buzz hai. How can we not have you mouth the same dialogue?
No. Listen, guys. I did it for Varun. I mean, I would love to do it for you too. But I wanted Varun's team to win. So I said, okay, fine, I'll play this
Yeah.
game with you.
Yeah.
Don't make me say it and not when he's on the stage. Please, no. कि ये शाहरुख सर होंगे, ये मैं होंगी, मैं डायलॉग खत्म करूंगी और मैं गिर जाऊंगी. And somebody will have to hold me and bring me back and faint. Because I will faint, legit.
All right, 25 years. Marfa. कैसा है?
अरे बहुत अमेजिंग लग रहा है. I mean, to be honest, I don't know where I'll be 25 years later. तो उनकी 50th anniversary में कहाँ होंगी, I don't know. So I'm very happy that at least I'm here on this milestone, and it's very memorable too, because this will stay for a lifetime,
yes,
right?
yes.
All of this will stay. So I mean, I will know, the world will know that I was a part of the 25-year milestone.
Right, right. And Shahrukh is here, is the host. I remember watching a video. यहाँ पे आपने शाहरुख खान का डॉन का डायलॉग अपने स्टाइल में बोला था. You remember that?
Yeah, I was on one of these IFA stages only. Listen, I can't. And I know who made me say it also. Varun.
Oh, yeah, that was Varun.
He took me on stage and said, "तू डायलॉग बोलेगी." मैंने कहा, भाई ऐसा नहीं होता.
लेकिन हुआ क्या था? मतलब I remember I just watched that video. अभी मैंने देखा Facebook पे. मैंने कहा यार ये क्वेश्चन तो पूछना पड़ेगा. शाहरुख is here, Nusrat is here, Dawn. कितना buzz है. How can we not have you mouth the same dialogue?
No. Listen, guys. I did it for Varun. I mean, I would love to do it for you too. But I wanted Varun's team to win. So I said, okay, fine, I'll play this game with you.
Yeah.
Don't make me say it and not when he's on the stage. Please, no.
यार वो तो वहाँ पे है. उनको
No. ये गलती नहीं कर सकती. मैं ये गलती नहीं कर सकती. नहीं. I can just say, I love you, Shahrukh sir.
All right. So that's Love You, Shahrukh sir. But tell me something, what sort of role would you want to, have opposite Shahrukh? Everybody wants to do a movie with Shahrukh Khan. ऐसा कुछ रोल है आपके दिमाग में that you would want?
कोई भी. I'm sorry, I don't think I'm at a place and I'll ever be at a place to ever say मुझे ऐसा करना है. सर कोई भी रोल बोल दे, मैं भी सर में आ जाती हूँ. I'll stand in front of you and say, okay sir, हाँ जी sir, okay bye sir. I'm happy with even that.
And what if you have to, give a romantic dialogue? You have to mouth a romantic dialogue. Obviously, it's a romantic film and Shahrukh is right there.
तो ऐसा होगा कि ये शाहरुख सर होंगे, ये मैं होंगी, मैं डायलॉग खत्म करूंगी और मैं गिर जाऊंगी. And somebody will have to hold me and bring me back and faint. Because I will faint, legit.
Okay, that's Shahrukh. And Nusrat, we absolutely laud the kind of roles, that you've done on the big screen. Women feel so encouraged. I think for actors also, female actors, there is a lot of motivation that comes, with just the bold steps that you're taking. What keeps you so positive, confident, out there, take all the risks?
You.
Oh, thank you so
A woman like you.
Thank you.
I know you're in the field of media, but you're still a girl and you're still a woman who's, I'm sure, lived a tough life and has done a lot to be here. So have we all. And when you tell me something like this, and when you tell me this is something that motivates you and you are watching it and you're actually supporting it, then I'm going to open that door of my house, go back to work and do all of it all over again.
Right, you have to. Just the last question, what's that one thing that you would like to sort of introduce in the industry to make it a little more easier for the female actors? Let's sort of make their journey more memorable, maybe a little less tough. What can be done?
It's a very nice question. I think maybe not attach them to certain already alwayses that go on.
Right.
For example, हीरोइन है, एक्ट्रेस है तो बहुत टाइम लगाएगी. हीरोइन है, एक्ट्रेस है तो लेट ही आएगी. हीरोइन है, एक्ट्रेस है तो टेंट्रम्स तो होंगे ही. उसको इसके इश्यूज तो होंगे ही. How are you going to handle her? What happens is half our energy goes in just combating those already alwayses that have been going on in people's minds, which might not even exist anymore. Why are we paying a price to undo the prejudices that are going on for us, which, I mean, just judge us for us, na?
Right.
How about starting from there?
Right.
Like cleaning the slate?
Cleaning the slate.
Maybe that?
Starting afresh. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.